Here we go. Ready? Oh, who's better than me? Yeah. Alright, man, well, wish me luck. Here I go. Start pulling this bad boy together. And it's kind of hard when you're doing this and you only have like a 1/16 of a dado, you know? Yeah, 16th. And it's tiny. This one's kind of deep, which isn't bad. But the other ones are really, really thin, so you're not able to get much glue in there. Wow. Maybe that was too much glue. It's a really hot, sticky day today. Tell me this isn't stressful. I mean, you saw me. Oh, you know what? It's the wrong one. See that? I'm a retard. Oh man, that would have been horrible. That's what happens when you try to film all this shit and do all this work and get going. I mean, I'm a mental case. I shouldn't even be attempting to film this kind of stuff. But hey, it's all good fun, fellas. You know what I mean? You see, now I get that thing set in a really good spot. I have glue here and here, so I should probably put that piece in there now. Oh man, that would have been horrible. Imagine if I jammed that thing all the way in there. Oh, I would have just jumped through my window and went home, because that would have been a serious mistake. I would have been really, really screwed. But it's alright. I've survived to live another day here at the shop. You know what I mean? Well, that would have been a big, big mistake. So suspenseful watching me glue stuff together, isn't it? So there's a little bit more glue in these dados here, you know? Just enough to hold it. You know what I'm saying, Dave? See how I'm not freaking out? Even though there's glue all over the other piece already? And it's probably friggin' sticky and drying, whatever. Alright, man. That is it. And you guys have no idea how hard I've been working on this thing. I mean, you think it's all friggin' fun and games, but you know what? It isn't. This thing is highly stressful. It is for me anyways. I see you guys are looking at that. Don't worry about it. It's going to be alright. You think I should try to hit this that way? Oh, I don't have a good feeling about this. Oh yeah. It looks good over there though, doesn't it? Perfect. Perfecto. Yeah. That's cool. I tighten that little frigger right up there. Now you gotta remember not to friggin' smash this into the bead of the front of the case. Like I did last time. Well, that's it, man. One side's done. The bottom half, I'm gonna do the bottom half of the other one, get that all glued up, and then next time we watch this, I'm gonna cut the pattern in half. This pattern was the full pattern to get the dividers and the base molding. Now that I've split it into quadrants, I need to cut this down the middle and refit each one of these pieces of pattern into these 8 different openings. So that's it, man. I'm psyched. It's time to make some headway, guys.